In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a PayPal business account step by step. Whether you're looking to streamline your financial transactions or expand your business into digital payments, setting up a PayPal business account is a smart move. It's secure, widely recognized, and offers a host of tools to help you manage your business finances more effectively. Let's dive into the process and get your account up and running in just a few moments. To begin with, head over to the official PayPal website. You'll want to visit their homepage where you'll find resources like the mobile wallet and other payment offerings right on the main page. Once you've landed there, your next step is to locate the sign up button. This option is usually very prominently displayed, making it simple to start the registration process. Clicking this button will bring you to the registration area where you'll decide between different types of accounts. Since we're focusing on a business account today, you'll want to select the business option. PayPal understands that businesses have unique needs, so this type of account is specially designed to accommodate a range of business-related financial activities. Once selected, you will be prompted to click Get Started. This takes you into the primary setup process where you'll provide an array of information to tailor your account for your business requirements. Now comes the part where you'll need to enter your details. This step involves inputting crucial information about your business, such as the name of your business, the address, and the nature of the service or products you offer. Additionally, PayPal might request some personal details to verify and secure your account, like your business email, a phone number, and possibly financial information like bank details for transfers and withdrawals. Accuracy here is key, as any discrepancies could lead to obstacles in linking or accessing your account later on. While filling out this information, a few handy tips can be helpful. Ensure that the email you use is one regularly checked and associated with your business. Also, make sure your chosen password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once everything is entered correctly, double check all your information to avoid any potential setbacks. After submitting your details, PayPal might send you a confirmation email or require additional verification steps. This process usually entails a quick confirmation of your email address, and sometimes a verification of your bank account to ensure everything is authenticated and connected correctly. Once these final steps are completed successfully, congratulations are in order, as you now have a fully functioning PayPal business account. In summary, creating a PayPal business account is a straightforward process that grants you access to a world of user-friendly business transaction options. It positions you well for conducting secure, efficient payments, helping your business growth in the digital age. Thanks for joining me, and happy business banking.